In Chapter 1, we learned of the framework of communication in the workplace. The value of communication, the communication process, the communication flow, legal and ethical behavior, diversity challenges, technology, work team environments. Managers communicate in a variety of different ways on a daily basis. It's imperative that we are able to deliver a message that our peers, superiors, and directs can appropriately comprehend. We must speak or write with clarity so the message delivered will not be misinterpreted. Managers also need to listen. It requires being attentive in meetings, one-on-ones, or with teammates. We must be open to dialogue to meet our customer base. Remaining attentive, open-minded, and adaptable ensures the message from our audience is being received. It is important to know your audience and prepare anyway for the message that can be misunderstood. It is important to be able to relay good information as well as listen to be sure the message sent is what is actually delivered or received effectively. The transactional process is one form of communication. You have a sender, a message, and a receiver, and the channel of which there is the feedback. Outside of that, such as noise, is considered interference. We communicate to our staff on a downward style, as in giving directives, and with our superiors in an upward style, giving them information from our level. And then lateral communication is how we communicate with our peers to meet the company's objectives. International and domestic laws. Laws that mandate when and how we do business. These can be international, federal, state, local, and they affect the way our business activities are conducted. Codes of ethics. Knowing the difference between right and wrong. What is your view of right and wrong? This will provide your boundaries of professional activities. Stakeholder interests. Who is affected by your behavior? These are the people inside and outside of your organization. Ethical frameworks. Illegal and unethical. This is clearly wrong on all levels. Illegal yet ethical. You can break the law, but fits within your boundaries of beliefs. Legal and unethical. Does not break any laws, but it does violate your own integrity. Legal and ethical. Both legal and ethical. Your personal values. Would you be proud of your decisions if they were made public? And diversity challenges such as cultural, language, worldviews, perceptions of time, and stereotypes. Age. Baby boomers, intimidated a little bit by technology, as when Gen Xers, are a little more adaptable. Gender. Women, they want insight and understanding, and they tend to get that by asking a lot of questions. Men, they just give and get information and ask fewer questions. Education. If education and qualifications are all equal, then the communication is more effective. Telecommuting. Utilization of audio and video conferencing to save the company money on travel. Social media and software applications such as LinkedIn, Facebook. internet and intranet-based applications for communication, and then security issues. These would be considered spyware or other viruses. Teams are a small group of people with similar interests working with management to accomplish a business goal. To effectively communicate in business, you need to know the laws, have an ethical business moral compass, and most importantly, you must know your audience.